Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DirectX Runtime Error in Valorant using a few simple methods that work for most Windows users. First, update Windows to make sure your system has the latest files and security patches installed. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install all pending updates and restart your computer once the process is complete. Next, repair the game files through the Riot Client. Open the Riot Client and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, select Valorant and choose the Repair option. The launcher will scan the game files and automatically replace any damaged or missing files that could be causing the runtime error. If the issue still appears, reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and uninstall Riot Vanguard from the list. After removing it, restart your PC. Launch Valorant again, and the Riot Client will automatically download and reinstall Vanguard for you. Thanks for watching.